Hey guys, Mark McMahon Real Estate, talking about mentors today. Do you need one? Do you not need one? Let's talk about it. All right, if that sounds interesting, please hit the like button, please subscribe, and make Allie's day and sign up for notifications. Great, thanks guys, I appreciate it. Glad to have you here and thank you for supporting our channel. All right, let's cover what a mentor is not before we cover what a mentor is. A mentor is not someone that listens to your personal problems. I think most of the time a consultant or a mentor is engaged, a lot of the time they end up spending talking about things that the other person wants to talk about rather than the things they need to talk about. And I think that's just an awful waste of time. Now for the mentor, if they're being paid by the hour, who cares? And same thing as a consultant. And I think most of the time that's what people spend the majority of their time together on, is talking about stuff that doesn't matter so much. That's why it's so important that you write down all the things you want to talk about and put them in an outline form and make sure and cover every single one of them. Move through them. Do not get stuck on them. Generally, the problems you're having, you already know the answers to. You just need confirmation for it. All right? And that's a lot of times what a mentor will provide. What is a mentor? A mentor is someone who listens carefully to the situation and helps guide you through that. Just imagine a conductor on a train that kind of helps you get to your seat. That's pretty much what a mentor does. They help you get to your destination. Now, it can be so many different things, but as a real estate investment mentor, like the gentleman that I talk to on a regular basis or semi-regular basis, I'll bring complex problems to him. Like, I've had issues where people have abandoned projects and I have a lot of money into it, or someone stopped in the middle of a deal doing what they were supposed to do, or perhaps maybe in the early days, contractor left with me holding the bag. A lot of these kinds of things happen, and even though I'm a contractor myself, you know, I wasn't really sure what to do on a couple of those situations, and I consulted with my mentor, and he gave me a clear vision on what direction I should go. He didn't tell me what to do. He just gave me my options, and I was able to pick the ones that made the most sense to me. And that is what a good mentor does. A mentor can guide you through situations that they've already gone through before. They can take their experiences and kind of show you the way out of that dark cave, get back into the light. And a lot of times you're in a situation that seems impossible to get out of, and I know we've all been in those situations before. Having someone like a neutral third party or second party, third party more likely, to just listen to that problem and maybe help formulate an answer to is probably one of the best things that you can ever get. So a mentor guides you through issues, but they also provide insight as to what you should be doing to grow your business. So there's two separate jobs that a mentor does, in my opinion. Helps you get out of bad situations because you've made mistakes or you don't know exactly how to handle a situation, and hopefully they've been through it before. They also help you grow your business by making suggestions on how you can do things better. Okay, so that is what the role of a mentor is and isn't. All right, statistically, really hard to find statistics on real estate investment mentorship, so we had to go to real estate agent statistics. The failure rate of real estate agents, a lot like real estate investors, is 80 to 90% in the first 5 years. I don't know how many real estate investors I've been in touch with in the last 2 years, just the 2 years alone, that have started following me and have dropped off the face of the earth. And of course, some of them might have gone on to somebody else that they thought was a better fit for them as far as an online mentor. But I'd venture to say that 80 to 90% of the real estate investors that stop. And that's in the first 5 years. In the first year, it's probably nearly as high. I think the attrition rate in real estate investing, real estate selling is huge. It's just huge. I know so many people that start and don't cross the finish line. And that can be due to a lot of different factors. Now, a lot of times when you do this kind of a business, you don't make any money for a long time. And I think a lot of people see that. They think they're going to make a lot of money in real estate, and they just don't for the first year. The thing is, a good mentor will talk you through that and tell you and keep motivating you to keep moving forward on a daily basis And whereas when you're by yourself, it's kind of hard to do that. People that are starting in real estate have a 5 times higher chance of success if they've got a mentor. Why is that? Because hopefully your mentor's been through this crap before. They've been down the road, they understand how it works and how it doesn't work, and they can guide you past all that. You know, get you through the minefield, so to speak. If you can actually do that, and you can actually last long enough to get a few deals under your belt as an investor, you'll probably make it. So a mentorship, a class, a real estate investment club, even just a group of friends that you talk to on a regular basis can be very helpful to get through this. But the one thing that I've found since I started investing is having someone that has been there before me and being able to talk to them. Now, do I mentor people? No, I don't. So this isn't just a shameless plug to get me to mentor you, because I'm not doing that. What I'm telling you is finding someone that will help you guide you down the path is very vital to what you do. And again, it doesn't really matter which direction you go with that, whether it's a group, whether it's one-on-one, whether it's online, whether it's in person. Having someone that you're accountable to is the thing that you're looking for. Guys, the last piece of advice I want to give you is don't give your opinions when you're talking to your mentor. They're not there for that. They're there to give you guidance, right? Generally, you're paying a mentor for guidance. If you're getting free mentorship, that's great. It's even worse if you give your opinion when you're getting free guidance. Gather the information. You can make your own decision later on. You're there for their opinion. You're there for them to listen and give you advice. So don't give them advice. Doesn't work very well. All right. And don't try to talk them into your position. If you're looking for a good mentor, find somebody that's actually in the business. Don't go with somebody that doesn't have a track record. Don't go with somebody. I see so many mentors out there, and I look at their page and I see that they don't really do any real estate deals, or they maybe have 1 or 2 rentals, or they maybe have 5 rentals, and they maybe done 1 flip, but they're mentoring people. They've got courses. They got so much going on because they've accomplished so much in such a short amount of time. Guys, do you really think that that is the best mentor for you? I've already told you that people drop out of this business in the first 5 years. Now, I'm not saying that people that are in the business for less than 5 years can't be a mentor. What I'm saying is they're in that period of time where a lot of people will drop out. Like a lot of times people will buy a lot of real estate and they'll think they really know what they're talking about, but in the end they really don't. They fail and they slowly fade away or quickly fade away. So be careful who you pick. Make sure they're sharp, make sure they've been in business for a while, make sure that they've got the statistics and the evidence to back up what they're saying. That's all I'm saying. All right, guys, that's it. Thank you so much for joining today. Please hit the like button, please subscribe, and sign up for notifications. Makes Allie's day. Puts a big smile on her face. Right, Allie?
Right.
That's right. All right, guys. She's going to put a couple of videos up. Please look at them. If you have not signed up for my newsletter yet, please do. I put out a really cool newsletter every Sunday. Click on my newsletter, link down below. Sign up for it, and you'll also get a list of how to get started in real estate, the steps that you should take to buy your first house. Pretty cool list, pretty easy to follow. Even if you're not ready to get started yet, you can start preparing for it. All right, guys, thanks so much for joining us, and I'll see you next time. Hey guys, check out these 2 videos. They're really going to help you on your investment journey. I'm also on Instagram. Tons of great video content there. Really good stuff. Please subscribe. I'll see you next time.